A tool that we like to keep in our tech toolkit is a cheap SATA to USB 3, tool-free, 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. While not a tool that is as useful or important to have as it once was, as SATA is now being slowly replaced with faster NVMe drives, we still like to keep a SATA hard drive enclosure in our tech toolkit, as it can be useful when working with older laptops or legacy devices like the PlayStation 4. As an external SATA USB enclosure will tend to be roughly 12 cm in length, 8 cm in width, and 1.5 cm thick, they don't tend to take up a lot of space. However, it's important to try and get an enclosure that uses USB 3.1 or higher for faster transfer speeds. As for the enclosure itself, we have a USB port and a locking button for the tool-free mechanism that will hold the drive in place, which is something that will make inserting or removing a drive a lot faster. To help justify the inclusion of a SATA external USB enclosure in our toolkit, we also like to use our enclosure as a makeshift case for storing a spare 2.5-inch SSD, which gives us the flexibility for having either a replacement drive or an external USB hard drive to make backups or transfer large numbers of files. However, where we find having an external hard drive enclosure particularly handy is where we're trying to recover data from a broken computer. Just don't forget to decrypt the old drive first, as ultimately this can save you a lot of time and effort.